What is the average electrician salary in Ukraine? On average, an electrician in Ukraine earns around 4,700 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax, this drops to $3,800, which leaves you with roughly $317 every month in take-home pay. While those are the national figures, you will bring home noticeably more in bigger cities, and in Kyiv, an electrician takes home $4,400 after tax. Even though wages are higher in the capital, living costs in smaller towns are much lower, so your money goes further there. On top of that, your income rises as you gain experience because entry-level workers earn well below the national average, while senior workers bring home substantially higher pay before their salary plateaus. A university degree is not always required for this job locally, but having an education helps you move into higher-paying positions like a master electrician or an electrical inspector. Specialized skills in high-voltage systems or industrial equipment also bring in a lot more money.